Hello student, good afternoon. I am Isaac Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss the chemistry of 11th class and the topic is periodic classification of element and periodicity in properties. To study periodic classification of elements and periodicity in properties, what are the requirement? First of all, you know what is the requirement for particular topic. So the requirement is, first requirement is element. Second requirement is symbol of element, and third one is atomic mass, and fourth one is atomic number. So there are four requirements to study periodic classification of element. First one is element, second one is atomic mass, and third one is atomic number, and last one is symbol of elements. What is element? Element is a purest form of a substance. Purest form of a substance. Purest form of a substance which contain only one types of particle. Only one types of particle, that is atom. In element, all atoms are identical, that is identical in shape, identical in size, and identical in mass. How many elements known? There are 118 elements known. So you are required to know how many elements present in a classification of classification. Next point is atomic mass. Atomic mass. Atomic mass. What is atomic mass? It is also known as atomic weight. Atomic weight. It is represented capital A. Mass of an atom with respect to height A mu. Mass of an atom with respect to A mu is known as atomic mass or atomic weight. Atomic mass or atomic weight. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1.008, which is considered 1. So atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1.0, consider as 1. Next one is atomic. This is atomic mass and atomic weight. Next one is atomic number. Atomic number. It is represented with Z. Atomic number is equal to total number of proton. Total number of proton present in an atom is known as atomic number. Total number. For example, atomic number of sodium is equal to 11, and atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23. So atomic number is equal to total number of proton present in an atom. Atomic number is never fractional, but sometimes atomic mass may be fractional. For example, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35.5. And atomic number of chlorine is equal to 70, which is equal to Z and which is equal to A. Next important point is symbol. How to write a symbol of an element. Symbol of an element. Symbol of an element. Symbol is represented as in this way. Z is written in lowercase and A is written in uppercase. Z is known as atomic number, and A is known as mass number, or atomic mass, or atomic weight. So, for proper understanding, for better understanding of the topic periodic classification of element and periodicity in properties, you are required to know what is atomic number and what is atomic mass. For example, the symbol of iron is written as Fe2656. 56 is a mass number and 26 is a atomic number. Atomic number Z is equal to number of electron and Z is equal to number of proton, because atom is electrically neutral, because number of electron is equal to number of protons. So atomic number is always written in lowercase and atomic mass is always written in uppercase. In next video, I will discuss in detail periodic classification of elements. Thank you very much for watching the video.